I'm going to show you how to deal with downloads in Microsoft Edge. Now, by default, it will automatically save your downloads. But if ever you want your downloads to be saved to a different location, or you want to ask what needs to be done with each download, you can do that as well by setting it in the settings area and then going to downloads. By default, any Office files which are open from the internet will open using Office to show you it, and you can go into presentation mode, and then you will also be given the choice to download that file. And you'll also be shown a download menu when you download a file. Now, if we come across to here, we're going to accidentally download a file. So we're just going to download this browser market share. And, I'm accidentally downloading it. Actually, I don't want this. And as you see, the downloads bar opens on the right hand side. Now, don't fret. You can delete the download that you've accidentally downloaded from Edge itself. So if you hover over it, you can then go and click on delete, which is the bin, and it will delete the file for you. Now we're just going to come across to our downloads folder, and you can see that is put here. And we have filters which filter to different file types, such as your applications, your documents, compressed files, and more. And that is one of the great things about downloading items in Microsoft Edge, is because of how adaptable and how customizable it is.